I'm Angeline, and you're watching Skate Live TV. Welcome to part one of your skate news for December 2014. Kicking off your news is one of this year's biggest skate competitions that went down earlier this month. This event was Skate Park of Tampa's 2014 Tampa Am competition. As the lineup and talent were crazy good from beginning to end, the contest resulted with only one grand prize winner. And that was 13-year-old skater Jagger Eaton. This isn't the first achievement of Jagger's, as he's recognized as the youngest competitor at the X Games Mega Ramp event from last year, competing at age 12. Congrats, Jagger, well earned and well deserved. Congrats to the second and third place winners, Mickey Papa and Herman Steen as well. And probably the biggest news coming from the weekend is Thrasher Magazine's Skater of the Year. Skaters and skate fans had weeks to put in their 2 cents on who ripped the hardest with the sickest tricks and video parts that blew everyone's minds. It came down to the last straw, but it was skater Wes Kramer who took this year's title. Congratulations to him, and congrats to Birdhouse Skateboards that took home the 2014 King of the Road title and a nice pretty check for $10,000. A pretty big weekend in the world of skate, but we got even more news as this month slowly draws to an end. Find out who takes next month's cover of Transworld Skateboard magazine, as well as news on next year's X Games in Austin, Texas. I'm Angeline, and thanks for watching Skate Live TV.